Thanks Banku Enu from Nigeria. I had issues with my eyes since August 2024, and I had to go to the hospital in Nigeria. Did about 5 thyroid function tests, but there was still no way. I had several injections, 8 injections on both eyes. That didn't work either. I called the brother that stays in India and told him of my plight, and he asked me to come down, that he has a hospital that he will take me to and everything will be solved. I got to India in May. I saw Dr. Yati.
We evaluated the patient in our hospital and did some scans and some testing, and we explained this problem to her. And the problem was because of having an uncontrolled diabetes and some thyroid problem, because that caused a swelling of the tissues around the eye, and as a result, the eyes were protruding out. And because of that protrusion, there was a pressure around the nerve of the eye. As a result, she was losing her eyesight. And there was a lot of water deposition in the tissues around the eye. We opted for a radiation therapy.
I had a 12-day radiation process, and there was a little improvement, and he also saw the improvement and still suggested that I go for the surgery to make things better, and I had to go for an endoscopic surgery.
In which, by an endoscopic surgery, I removed the bone around the eye, causing the eye to sink back into its place, sink back into the socket.
I was able to see, I can now say I can see with the left eye and with the right eyes. So thank you very much for having me here in your hospital. Thank you for restoring my sight. Thank you for making me very happy again. I am living as a happy woman with my sight restored. God bless you all. Thank you.